Hello everyone, we'll be making these tables and the chairs. So take the ice cream stick. Now join them. Put these sticks like this on all the sides and in the between. Now after that, we'll be putting the legs of the table. Make its handle like this. Now make its chairs and it's done. Now after that, we'll be taking the straw, make the swing like this first, make its backrest and then its handrest, and then we'll be making the top part to make its handle, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this beautiful painting. So for that, we'll be needing cardboard sheet, cut it like this. Now tear the paper from the between and then you have to color it like this with beautiful colors. Now put a white sheet like this and make a watermelon over it, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a plastic bottle, wrap it with the paper. Now take red color paper and fix it on the sides. Make its wings. Now we'll be making back of it like this, make its fan, and your aeroplane is ready. Next, we'll be making this sword. So we'll be taking the paper, fold it like this and cut it. Now join them. Now roll the sheets of the paper like this and fix it to make its handle, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this game. So put the wooden cardboard sheet like this and then put the small pieces to make the obstacles using the earbuds like this and put a marble in it, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this bouquet, or a candy bouquet rather. So take a blue color paper and fold it. Take a fruit foam net and roll it like this. Keep rolling it and then fix it on the paper inside and put the candies over it like this. And take a pink color paper to make a bow like this and fix it in the front, and your bouquet is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making this dragon. So for that, we'll be needing the paper or water bottle caps, and then we have to make the holes in the between. Fix them with the help of the thread like this. Now after fixing it, tie it, and then in the front, we'll be fixing the stick like this and on the back as well. Now make the face and the back part of the dragon like this and cut it after coloring it with the red color. And then we have to cut it and paste it over the cap like this in the front and the back, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this pineapple hanging or pineapple light like this. So take a water bottle, cover it with the fruit foam net of yellow color. Make the leaf of the pineapple with the green paper like this and then put a light inside it like this, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this beautiful flower vase or a basket. You can also use it as a flower vase. So for that, we'll be needing these sticks like this. Tie it with the thread or a rubber band. Now you have to just spread it like this and make a equal space in between all these sticks like this. And now fix it from the back side by putting the glue gun and then remove the rubber band like this, and it's ready. Next, make this card. So take the papers like this, fold it from the between and paste them one by one like this. Now after fixing it, take a white color paper, fix it in the between, and then you have to write a message inside it and then close it like this, and it's done. Next, take a red color paper and beautiful color papers and then cut them. Paste each strip of the paper like this together. Fold it like this and then again paste it. Now after folding it, you have to put the thread in the between, and it's done.